The cryptocurrency market as a general, and Shiba Inu in particular, has had a momentous day today to a great extent. This day is not like any other day whatsoever. A big shift in the momentum of the cryptocurrency field may be about to occur, and this moment marks the beginning of that shift. Today is a day that has the potential to alter the course of events for Shiba Inu and those who follow it, since it has brought up a number of exciting updates, unexpected twists, and major movements from key participants in the market. In response to the growing enthusiasm that the Shiba Inu community is experiencing as a result of various new developments, there is a lot to unpack. If we are Shiba Inu investors and aficionados, what exactly is going on behind the scenes, and how should we respond to this information? Let's begin with some of the most uplifting news that has recently come to light. It is now official that the German government has exhausted all of its Bitcoin reserves for sale. The occurrence of this event has been a long time coming, as you are aware if you have been paying close attention to the market over the past few months. A significant amount of downward pressure has been exerted on the whole cryptocurrency market, including Shiba Inu as a result of the enormous Bitcoin sell-offs taken by the German government. One of the numerous variables that have contributed to market troughs, which has dragged the price down and made it difficult for cryptocurrencies to acquire pace, is the persistent selling that has been going on. On the other hand, this burden has been alleviated now that Germany does not have any more Bitcoin to exchange. Both the Shiba Inu community and the market may finally begin to feel some relief. The market can finally breathe a little easier. As a result of this transition, the market is filled with a sense of hope and anticipation, particularly as we shift our focus to the future of Shiba Inu. There is nothing that can prevent Shiba Inu from reflecting all of the wonderful advances that are taking place within its ecosystem now that the selling pressure from Germany has been removed from the playing field. The community has been excitedly anticipating this moment for quite some time, and now is the time for the price to begin creeping upward. This is an extremely important next step. Additionally, it is very evident that a great deal of interesting updates are on the future. An explosive revelation has just been made by Satoshi Kusama, the primary developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, who has just granted his very first interview. It is very important news. Having Satoshi go into the public eye with a complete interview is a paradigm shift, because the Shiba Inu team has been known for their anonymity for a number of years, as a result of the fact that it has become the norm for updates and announcements to come from unknown sources. It is an indication that the Shiba Inu initiative is entering a new phase, since Satoshi is willing to communicate directly to the people. Credibility and openness are two aspects that have frequently been lacking in the cryptocurrency field, and this is a significant improvement in both of those areas. In and of itself, the interview marked a significant turning point. The landscape of the project may be reshaped as a result of the revelations made by Satoshi regarding the future of Shiba Inu, which are quite fascinating. It was Satoshi's response to a long-standing rumor concerning his identity that was one of the most notable moments of the interview. People have been speculating for quite some time that Satoshi Kusama might actually be Elon Musk. This is something that many of you may already be aware of. Musk's strong interest in cryptocurrencies and some of his cryptic tweets that seem to hint at a connection with Shiba Inu were all factors that contributed to the creation of the conjecture. Within the community, this concept caused a great deal of excitement, but it also caused a great deal of misunderstanding. Nevertheless, Satoshi shed light on the matter by stating unequivocally that he is not Elon Musk in this interview. Some individuals may be relieved by this clarification, but others may be left feeling a little bit dissatisfied as a result of it. At the same time that the idea of Elon Musk's influence had a certain level of appeal, there is no disputing that the prospect of Musk's involvement with Shiba Inu added an aspect of interest to the situation. Although this was the case, Satoshi was able to make a compelling argument through the interview. The future of Shiba Inu is the primary focus of both him and his staff, and it is the direction in which they should aim their attention. Satoshi's funny statement in response to a Twitter user who brought attention to the interview is much more intriguing than the interview itself. In the response, Satoshi mentioned Elon Musk, which kicked off a fresh round of rumors and speculation. The potential of Satoshi and Musk having a chat in the future is something that should be considered. What are the chances that this will result in a partnership or assistance from Musk? The fact that Satoshi is willing to engage in conversation with influential people like Elon Musk is a promising sign for the future, despite the fact that it is still too early to call any conclusions. This kind of interaction has the potential to attract a great deal of attention to Shiba INU, which might result in the creation of new opportunities and an increase in its awareness throughout the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Satoshi's aspirational vision for the future of Shiba INU was possibly the most noteworthy revelation that emerged from the interview. Shiba INU is going to become the first decentralized entity worth $1 trillion, which is a target that he has set for himself. An entire $1 trillion worth of market capitalization is exactly what you just read. The Shiba INU and its position in the cryptocurrency world could undergo a profound transformation as a result of this concept, which is truly huge. To put this into perspective, if Shiba INU were to reach this $1 trillion valuation, it would signify a price increase of up to 1,000% from where it is currently trading. Putting it another way, in order for Shiba Inus to reach that level, they would need to experience phenomenal growth. It has been disclosed by Satoshi that he is of the opinion that Shiba INU is capable of accomplishing this objective by leveraging on the rapid increase in the popularity of cryptocurrencies all over the world. Satoshi envisions a future in which cryptocurrencies, and Shiba INU in particular, become a dominant force in the economy of the entire world, despite the fact that the current market penetration does not exceed 5%. Because an increasing number of people all around the world are beginning to utilize and invest in cryptocurrencies. Putting itself in a position to be at the forefront of this movement is Shiba Inu's current strategy. It is impossible to overlook the quick rise and widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies over the past several years. Despite the fact that this objective may appear to be unattainable, it cannot be denied that Shiba Inus have the ability to play a significant part in the development of this trend. Furthermore, Satoshi has stated that he is of the opinion that Shiba Inu will be the driving force behind the conversion from Web 2.0 to Web 3. This is an aim that is both fascinating and overly ambitious. That Shiba Inu intends to expand far beyond being merely another meme coin is suggested by this information. Instead, the group's focus is on becoming a driving force behind the next phase of the internet, which they hope to accomplish. This might have a significant impact on the future of the cryptocurrency industry, as well as the digital world as a whole, if Shiba Inu is able to successfully position itself as a leader in Web 3. If Shiba Inu is successful in bringing this concept to fulfillment, it has the potential to be regarded as a defining moment in the annals of cryptocurrency history. The consequences of this vision are tremendous.